show you how to edit or delete the video on Tutorial. Download this at your YouTube channel. You can do this thing from Tutorial directly. You can say, I will change the title, I will change the description. Edit, yeah, you can say, okay, that's the old content. Now you can request to see anything will be changed. What did you do? Easily to edit your video. You can edit many video from Tutorial. No need to log in to YouTube channel. Now you can delete this video. Okay. After upload this thing, come back your YouTube channel and you will see this video has been removed by the user and your channel didn't display your tutorial. Thank you.